Welcome, Panda-Frog here, and I'm doing the entry for Jack Fox's giveaway A100 videos. So, I didn't know you could put numbers in front of the hashtag, so don't worry about that, buddy. You asked us to like, subscribe, I already did that, and pick a lock in my skill level. I got a challenge lock here. I don't know the builder, and I haven't got it. It is a design house. I don't know. There's a number on it. 34544. I got it from eBay. There was a lot of 4 challenge locks for like 20-25 bucks, and I just got it, and I will pick it and got it. All right. So it's more like a training lock for me. Hope that's okay with you. And I will just use a regular, where's my regular pick? So we got our pick, we got everything. So let's go for it. So it's 5-pin. Let's see. And of course, Jack, congratulations to your 100th subscriber. You are now almost at 200, so god damn it. I guess we will see another giveaway soon. I have to turn a little device because you only see my hand. I don't want that. So we're already in the 4th set. Right. There was some counter rotation. Nothing there. So going back to the back. And now I'm a deep 4th set, as you can see. A lot of counter rotation here. And we're open. So it wasn't too hard. Let's see what's in here. Put you away. Get my nice panda tray. And I need to adjust my camera. Alright, so I hope that's better. Okay, so what we doing? God, I was in a conference call for over 2 hours, so I'm sorry. Let's open this one up. Screws are they're not nice anymore. Let's put it this way. So I probably gonna use a shim. Perfect. And a nice follower. And let's see what we got. So it was sold as a challenge lock on eBay in a lot of 4. Yes, 4. I got the other 3 here. I haven't picked these, but I will. Let's see what we got in here. The regular key. I believe I got screwed. It's all regular key pins right now. They're very greasy. I don't believe there's any modification in here. they're very greased up. If that's a modification, well, good job. I've got a spring here. So, let's hope that at least the driver pins are modified. That is a regular spool on one. Another regular spool. That looks modified. But as of now, this lock doesn't qualify as a challenge lock because I already lost a pin. No, I did not. It happens to me all the time. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. So it's just a little modified. It's not impressive. It's the serrated pin here. As of now, I got one non-standard pin, or non-original pin. There's another serrated. I didn't feel the serration. And the springs look all standard. Sorry. So nothing special here. Let me show you the stuff. So let's put some focus in here and zoom in. Sorry, there we go. Hey. So we got regular, rack, serrated, one modified, the 5 is modified, and the rest is spooled. So I'm not really impressed. For me, it's not a real challenge lock, but I had to open it. It will be just a training lock for me now. Maybe I will modify it. I don't know yet. So, Jack, congratulations again to your 100 subscribers, almost 200. Hope this is enough for you, for your giveaway. And to the rest of you, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.